In the previous video, we examined how to create a strategy based on crossing two simple moving averages, with trades that had take profit and stop loss. In this new example, we will modify the strategy so that it automatically opens and closes trades when a new crossing occurs. First, we need to remove the take profit and stop loss from the blocks responsible for executing trades. To recap, the condition we wish to implement is as follows. If there are open trades and a reverse cross occurs, close the trade and open another one in the opposite direction. To define the first condition, which is, if there are open trades, we can simply use the check trades count, no trade block already in place, linking our conditions to the false output. So, we are telling it, if it is false that there are no trades, meaning, there is at least one open trade, run these blocks. For convenience, we duplicate the two condition blocks. This condition occurs when the fast simple moving average crosses above the slow simple moving average, thus generating a buy signal. We then need to close any sell trades. Let's drag the close trade block from the trading actions group and add it after our condition. We configure the block as close trades. It is essential to specify that we want to close only the sell trade. Without this specification, it would close all trades without distinction, including the newly opened buy trade generated by the cross. Let's click on Additional Filters and select Trade Type, Sell. We do the same process to close the buy trades. We duplicate the Close Trades block and change the trade type to Buy. Let's generate our CBOT and verify that everything is working by backtesting. Perfect. Watch the next video tutorial if you want to learn more about ABX. Custom strategies, made easy.